Today we're making elderberry liqueur. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today we are making elderberry liqueur. This is super easy, and I do honestly, truly mean super easy. All the ingredients are listed down below. You can also check out the links for the products that I use. And if this is your first time here, remember to subscribe, hit that bell for notifications, and share this video so that we can grow our neighborhood. Alright, let's get started. This bottle is easy to make, and I mean super easy to make. All that you are going to do is you're going to take elderberries, whole cloves, dried ginger root, honey, and vodka. We're going to put that into our jar, and then you have to really give it a good shake. And I mean a good shake. Now, there are two ways to do this. If you want to do this the fast way, you're going to put this into a saucepan, heat it gently until everything is dissolved, mixed in together, and then let it sit for a while. I'd let it sit for like maybe a day, maybe. But I mean, you can have it right away. If you want to really have the wonderful taste of this, you're going to let this sit for like 30 days, and every once in a while give it a good shake. And you notice how it took on the color right away, which is really cool. Let me put this aside. Alright, now we have, this is one that I have already done, and I did this on the stove, using the saucepan to heat it up. To our bottle, I'm going to add shimmer. Now, shimmer is just something that you would add to, say, fondant, icing, that sort of thing, to give it a sparkle. I'm not going to color this whole entire bottle because, well, I don't want the whole entire bottle to be magical. Now, I can put the lid on it, give it a good shake. Oh wow. I don't know if the camera, I'm sure in the close-ups the camera will pick this up, but you will notice that there are all sorts of sparkles and shimmers on this. Now let's give this a taste. If you look down into this, yes, you can see the sparkle and shimmer. Alright, let's give this a taste. That is strong. That is super strong. It does taste good. That is something you could mix with stuff. It is so good. It is sweet, has the elderberry taste, the ginger. You can taste everything, but it all comes together for this wonderful liqueur, and you could mix this with a ton of stuff. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at CM Coleman Home. And like I said, check out the description for the links of the products that I used and all those different things. And share this video so that we can grow our neighborhood. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.